Let's break it down into simple steps for music editing. You need to spot these parts in a song: the intro, first verse, second verse, chorus, bridge, and outro. Also, understand the beat's rhythm in the music. Once you're comfortable with these, it's all about using your ears. For example, let's say we want a 30-second clip. First, identify these song parts to know what you're working with. Feel free to skip this section if you're already familiar with identifying the components of a music track.
No one seems to hold me like you do. You're so wonderful. A star could never shine as bright as you. Shine as bright as you. Even the dark days still see light. Even the birds still sing at night. Every word just comes out right when I'm with you, with you. I feel so lucky I met you, and I still can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky, and I feel so lucky I met you. It's not logical. The way I feel when you walk in the room. When you walk in the room, it's not optional. How gravity just pulls me right to you. To you. Even the dark days still see light. Even the birds still sing at night. Every word just comes out right when I'm with you, with you. I feel so lucky I met you, and I still can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky, and I feel so lucky I met you. Spend my whole life waiting for someone like you, baby, and all these broken roses led to you. Spend my whole life waiting for someone like you, baby, and all these broken roses led to you. I feel so lucky I met you, and I still can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky, and I feel so lucky. So lucky I met you.
Recognizing the beat pattern is crucial. It guides where to cut and which beat fits with the previous one.
You're so wonderful. A star could never shine as bright as you. Shine as bright as you. Even the dark days still see light. Even the birds still sing.
If you're having trouble discerning the beat pattern, I've included a link to a video that assisted me in this regard. Make sure to turn on Show Audio Time units for precise adjustments. Once you've figured out what part to remove and attach to the chorus, look at the sound waves. Cut at a point where the beat matches or is very close.
So lucky I met you, and I still
Ensure it aligns with the beat for a smooth transition, and apply constant power. After connecting the music, listen to your edits. It should sound seamless. If not, give it another shot.
No one seems to hold me like you do. So lucky I met you, and I still can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky, and I feel so lucky I met you.
Keep in mind, sometimes you can't cut the music to your exact desired length. In such cases, just adjust the start or end to match what you need. Remember, practice makes perfect. The remix tool is powerful, but understanding the basics is essential.
Lucky I met you.